sentence to walk me to my throne. In the land of the dead, heck boy ain't it grand. I'm the overlord of the underworld, 'cause I hold horror's hand. In the land of the dead, I'm dark side royalty. I'm far renowned in the underground, and you can't take that from me. Swimming pool in the lands of the dead. And boy, ain't it grand. I'm the overlord of the underworld, 'cause I hold horror's hand. In the land of the dead, I'm dark side royalty. I'm far renowned in the underground, and you can't take that away from me. No, you can't take that from me.
Yes, it's me, Percy. Yeah. Hey, figure mine out. I know. You knucklehead, you. Oh yeah, I heard that. Who is in there? I can't save myself for your pantyhose.
No, it's a headache. Hey, why you? Hey guys. Ooh. Shut up, yo. No, I mean seriously. What the hell is going on? Well, all of our sadly until we were playing a prank call on me. Yeah, I heard that. Anyhow, I'm going out with Mikey. You know the French crane that appeared in episode 2. Yeah. So I expect no nonsense screen. Right. Oh, and Toby, can you please let Henry know that he must look after the yellow bird for me? Who? You know, the one from Angry Birds? Oh, okay. Okay, see ya. Why won't this work? Stories of crap. Yay! Okay, guys. What is going on? Nothing. We just found this person. until that's eaten. I don't even want to take this much longer. This is even worse than I thought. Oh, never mind. Wait a minute. What's that? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, he looks adorable. Get a picture. That's the keeper. Yeah, I don't know where James is. Maybe you should go check on him. Make sure he doesn't get into my food. I hate you. What does a day of Mexico? Joe Bacon, can you please get that for me, please? No way! Toby, I'm busy tuning my costume. And I'm busy not answering the phone. Oh, great, you made me miss it. Hello? This is Smash. Leave me a spooky message. Matt, I'm done not answering the phone. Matt, what are you doing? You're... what? You said you want me to go out and leave you here? Well, okay then. And your stupid face. And your stupid face. Oh, Henry. Well, what do you know? It's the city tram that I've been really annoying about. Aren't you supposed to have a girlfriend to be hanging out with? Yeah, she's busy standing, shivering and shaking and has a skull. Skull? Wait a minute, are you saying that the match has a skull? I think that is a stupid question. We gotta hurry. James and the Yellow Bird are in great danger. I hate your treat. Oh no, we're too late. I know what's behind all this. Zach the Rat? No, not Henry's friend Zach the Rat. There's usually this horrible person behind the station building. Some kind of bone unskin its head with flames in its head. Why does he have flames in his head? Oh, you mean the Ghost Rider? Wait, you, huh? Yeah, first time I called that match since I ran into you. Skull is fine. It's worse than I thought. Although I look like I missed the spot. The Ghost Rider must be stopped. Ooh, the cocks of Ray. That means you should start sending some hot nieces over to your place. Ooh, a Conte-Ray. That means you should stop. You should seriously stop talking all the hot nieces. Hey, are you trying to send me a message? Hey, don't look at me. The cars do not ride. Oh, hello there. Wait, would you like a card? Stanley, we're gonna need to go across this. Several roads. Stanley? I snowed in again! Alright, Toby, we're on our own. All the good characters have already turned over, have been turned over right by the Ghost Rider. All the good characters. What are we gonna do? We gotta hide, man. Nothing's unstoppable. We'll live underground and wear a fake skull mask in front of the skull peak. Sounds like a plan. It's Halloween night and there's an insane person running around. There's nothing cool that a pretty young thing like me than an outdoor shower. Or in this case, be in front of just a scrap by. My good man, can you please pass the soap over? Now all the lame characters have been turned over by the Ghost Rider too. Not to mention Stanley and the tank engines. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. Okay, time to start wearing a skull. So shut your eyes real tight. Toby? Not again. Sorry, making a sandwich. What did you just say? Come in here. Come with you? Okay. Wow. Cool shelter. Whoa! The skull is gone. I'm saved. Us too. Guys, you're all right. Everything's back to normal. You guys have you seen Toby? Hey, what are you doing in my house? Is that John in there? Yeah. That really is